Hello, once again, welcome. This is your facilitator of RS. Today we are looking at water purification. Before we can talk about purifying water, then we have to know the categories of water. We have already learned the types of water, hard water and soft water. Today we are looking at pure and impure water, how to identify and then how to treat it. Pure water is also known as distilled water. Let me clearly state here that it is not all the water we have on the streets, people shouting it, pure water, pure water, pure water, is really pure water. But distilled water is what we are talking about. Now, so water that is free from every impurities is simply called pure water. On the other hand, impure water is water that is full of impurities. Impurities can be seen or unseen. We have already discussed that water has no taste. So once you start drinking water and you realize there is taste, then you should realize that that water is impure. Right. Now, what are some of the things we do, or what are some of the examples we can look at to ascertain types of water, or probably looking at pure and impure water? The very first example I want you to look at is fetching water from a stream, flowing river, something. And then fetching water from a well. This water we mentioned about, talking about, are full of impurities. Some of them can be seen and others cannot. You need to be very careful when you are taking water from these sources. However, pure water is one that has gone through 1. Distillation. 2. Deionization. I'll take my time to explain. Distillation is when we subject impure water through a system, through a method, and the water that we get is distilled, free from every impurities. Deionization, on the other hand, is water that all the ions, magnesium and calcium ions that makes the water impure or gives the water taste, is removed. So deionization, we are removing all the ions from the water. Ladies and gentlemen, learners, I want you to take this one very critical because it is very important. Our human body is made up of water and we need water to survive. It is true, you can live without food for some time, but you cannot survive without water. So, summarizing what we have done today, we have said that pure water is water that has no impurities. On the other hand, it has impurities. Examples of pure, impure water, we have water from the pond, water from streams, rivers, and so on. And then examples of pure water are distilled water, deionized water, and then water from the tap. I hope you enjoyed the class. See you in our next section.